Hello students, welcome to another session of Narayana live classes. Today I am going to discuss with you 10th class English unit 4B, that is Maya Bazaar. Just I want to give some brief explanation about this Maya Bazaar. In this they have given editing and duas directed, that I will discuss later. First, what is Maya Bazaar movie actually? Okay, it was directed by K.V. Reddy and the producers were Nagireddy and Chakrapani. The film was released by them in the year 1957 and it was a great film, and they did not expect that this film will become this much great. Okay, so when our Indian cinema celebrating hundreds of years, 100 years of cinema, this film was elected as online poll. They conducted online poll, and this film was selected as the best classical movie of India. And also this film Maya Bazaar celebrated 50 years, 50 golden jubilee year in the year golden jubilee in the year 2007. So that is in this very brief characters they have discussed, and also the director K.V. Reddy, he had minimized the characters, that is the importance, and also the importance of the character will be there, but we can't see the characters. Only some major characters he had shown, that is the Abhimanyu and this Shashireka, Krishna and Ghatotkacha. These are the main characters in this, and he had highlighted this. And he is from one session to another session, this K.V. Reddy, very immediately he was going to that situation, and he had shown it was picturized in an excellent way. Okay, so in this this ANR, NTR and Savitri, they have performed in an excellent manner. So apart from that, not only the actors, but playback singers, this choreographers, that all the people, and the dialogues were also very important in this lesson. And few dialogues were very commonly they have discussed in this lesson. Evaru puttinchakunte maatalu ela pudtayi, manadi sodara prema anta alamalame kada. So like this they have created the words, and that dialogues were very famous in those days. Okay, still these songs were reverberating in this present generation. We are using the songs of this movie, that is Ahana Pelli Anta. We can hear these songs now and then in some occasions. And also one more important song is Vivaha Bhojanambu. So all these things we are nowadays in some occasions, in some marriages we can hear these songs. So without these songs there is no fulfillment of the marriage. Some people will think that, so that's why here they will play these songs. So this is a brief explanation. And in this this K.V. Reddy, he had created one magical box. If you open this, whatever your wish, whatever is there in your mind and in heart, that will be appeared on the screen. So that also he had shown. So it created some fun among the audience also. And we are this film, as soon as it released, so many people had repeatedly watched this movie, because we can find out the characters in this movie very relevant to our family members, and also very neighborhood also we can find this type of characters. So that's why here this film become very popular in those days, and as well as at present also this film is very great. So in this some editing is given for us, that is K.V. Reddy's Maya Bazaar has been voted as. Here in question has voted means here has voted, has plus V3 is used, but here this sentence is in the passive voice, so that's why here has been should be used. Has been voted as the greatest film, like that here we have to write has been should be used here, not simply has plus V3. Okay, because we are using in the passive form. Next one, the poll was conducted to be find out. To be find out is given for us. So to be is not at all applicable, because the rule is 2 plus V1 for us. 2 plus V1 is a condition. So that's why here 2 plus find should be there. That is the condition for one of the editing parameters. Okay, already the editing rules, the parameters we have discussed in the previous classes. So that's why here I am writing the answers now. Next, the film, third one you see, the film is considering one of the enduring classics of Indian cinema. Considering ing form is not used because we are talking the review of the movie. The review should be in the past tense. So that's why here the film is considered one of the enduring classics of Indian cinema. So here considered should be there, not considering. So is considering means here present continuous we have to talk. But here this movie is not there now. Means here we can watch. But this movie speciality we are discussing in the form of a review, but not talking live of this movie. So that's why here this is a review that should be in the past tense. So the film is considered one of the classics. Next, fourth one, and was christened as a achievement landmark in Indian films cinematography. See here, this christened as a landmark achievement. Achievement landmark is a word order is missing here. So this word order and was christened. Christened means here named as a landmark achievement of a Indian movie. Means here this film got so much reputation in those days, and it is a milestone for the actors who acted in this movie. So a landmark achievement we have to say that, not the achievement landmark. So achievement landmark is different. Okay, that word order jumbling, already we have discussed this point. Next, the following is a review on the film when it was celebrated the Golden Jubilee in 2007. Here, the following is a review on the film when it celebrated Golden Jubilee. When it was celebrated. So here we are talking about the movie. The movie celebrated its Golden Jubilee year in the year 2007. But not was celebrated. The film was celebrated is wrong absolutely, because the following is a review on the film when it is celebrated. The film itself celebrated. Okay, if you celebrated the Golden Jubilee years, it was celebrated by us. Like that we have to say. So here this in online poll when it was conducted in the year 2007, this film celebrated Golden Jubilee. So here this is the movie itself celebrated, means here they have celebrated, some people celebrated it. So that's why here we are talking about movie only, not the audience and some other elegance. So this movie celebrated Golden Jubilee year. So that's why here it was is wrong in this occasion. Okay, next topic is do as directed. So this do as directed, the questions you see once. 50 years ago, director K.V. Reddy, or for the matter, producers Nagareddy and Chakrapani, they have discussed and would not have imagined. Imagined is the underlined word. For that, what is they are asking? Write the word that gives the same meaning. Okay, so imagined is guessed. So see the question, it is in the past tense, imagined. So answer also should be in the past tense, guessed. Next word is when they decided to made. Always our rule is 2 plus V1. Here made is V2 form. So that's why here replace the underlined word with a correct form, that is make. 2 plus V1 is to make is a correct word. Next, in 1957 to become a landmark movie in the Telugu filmy industry. So here correct word they are asking. So write the correct form. Filmy is not correct. Film is correct. Okay. Next, for the sterling performances of the star assembled that it had right from the it became a hit. Not one for the sterling performances. Not one. So what they are asking for this? Replace the underlined word with correct one. Not only. Okay. Not only should be there in this. Not one. So not only should be correct one. Next one, partial. Savitri, NTR, ANR and Gummadi, but also because K.V. Reddy was in partial control over every frame of it. Opposite of this partial is full. Partial means not completely. So that's why here full is the opposite of this partial. Okay, ma. So we will meet once again in another session. Till then, bye. Thank you.